Hey everybody, someone asked for an update on some of my dry paintings, so I thought I would show a couple of the more recent ones. This one, and you can see how I finish the back. This one is video 815, and this is the one that I had to put 3 coats of resin on, so this one's a doozy. It's sturdy, but beautiful. And then this one is 814, and again resin, and very pretty. And then this one I did not resin, 818. Turned out great. And then I will show you, this one was from the gray, black, and brown plastic wrap pour. It turned out way cool. And this was the plastic wrap mallet smash, which I really like. I love the yellow peeking out. I think that really adds something special. And then I'll show you, this is my resin coffin. I have 2 pieces being resined right now, but they are almost dry, so I can open it and show you. This is a mallet smash, a recent mallet smash, and it's got gold and iridescent colors. It's really neat. And then this was another plastic wrap pour. So just a couple of my dry pieces, and I'll catch you later. Bye.